So hey guys, welcome to my video, and today we're going to talk about age problems and how to solve them, the techniques and how to make our lives easier when solving age problems. So we have our first problem here, and I'm going to read it aloud to you. Emily is 4 years older than Allison. 8 years ago, she was twice as old. Find their ages now. So what is being asked here is their present ages. And in our first sentence, we have Emily is 4 years older than Allison. So what I do with this is usually the name or the person after the word than would be our ex. Now, how do we use that information? We will use a table. So we will put Emily and Allison, and then make a table. So this will be the present, and this will be the table for our second condition. So since we say that Allison is our ex, we will put it here x, and then Emily is 4 years older than Allison, which means Emily is x plus 4. So our second table, on our next table, we will have our second condition, which is 8 years ago. So present minus 8 years. So all of them would have minus 8 years in all their ages. We have x plus 4 minus 8. And Allison will also have x minus 8. So up until this point, we have our information laid down to us. Now, how are we going to use this to solve our equation? We will go to the next condition, which means 8 years ago, she was twice as old. She refers to our first person, Emily. So Emily was twice as old. So which means Emily is still older than Allison. So twice as old as Allison would mean the age of Emily. So we will put that into equation. 2 times the age of Allison is equal to the age of Emily. We can simplify this into x minus 4. So we'll have x minus 4 here, Allison and Emily. And we have 2x minus 16 is equal to x minus 4. And then 2x minus x is equal to 16 minus 4. We have x is equal to 12. Who is our x again? This will be Allison. So Allison is 12 years old, while Emily is 16 years old. Now, if we're going to check this out, we will use the second condition. 8 years ago, what are their ages? So Allison was 4 years old. And Emily was, no. Emily was 8 years old. So, do these ages satisfy our second condition? Yes, they do. So, we conclude that Allison is 12 years old and Emily is 16 years old.